Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Samick Sage Recurve Bow. Samick products are well proven by archery champions throughout the world, and our goal with the Sage was to introduce something enticing, something that will draw you in the world of archery and will last you a lifetime. Samick's risers are manufactured with imported maple wood, for lightweight and highly durable bows, with a comfortable ergonomic grip. Pre-installed threaded brass bushings for various attachments and upgrades, such as brass plunger, stabilizer, sight, quiver, bow fishing reel. Hold the bow with your left hand and pull the string with your right. Left-handed, hold the bow with your right hand and pull the string with your left. Our second best recurve bow for hunting is Kainakai Hunting Recurve Archery Bow. Kainakai is a professional seller of outdoor goods. All bows are manufactured by craftsmen, which maintain a characteristic of powerful, high speed, long-during life. It is suitable for hunting, shooting training, physical exercise, entertainment and decoration collection. The bow arm is made of transparent epoxy and wrapped in leather. It is more delicate and durable. The bow handle is made of locust wood, polished and painted to reduce the wear and tear of the bow string and the waterproof effect outdoor. 25 to 55 pounds available. With 40 pounds bow can get a hunting arrow range of 150 meters or more. Using a carbon arrow can reach 200 meters. Depending on the pulling force of each person, it can reach at different ranges. For the first time using, suggesting 30 to 40 pounds for men, women 25 pounds. Generally, newcomers better to use a bow within 40 pounds, so that we can be better used to the bow, getting a quick progress of shooting technology. If the pounds are too heavy, it will be hard to control. Also, it is suggested that more training should be done to improve the strength of the arm. Third choice in our list is Top Archery Traditional Recurve Bow. Top Archery has a simple design that looks a lot like a medieval longbow, but with recurves. There isn't an arrow rest or a comfortable grip, but that's how they want it to look. It's not for you if you want a bow with a modern look. However, if you want to go back to the basics of archery for a good price, this could be the one for you. Even though the bow is small and light, the draw weight ranges from 30 to 50 pounds. Even though it's a very simple bow, it can be used for target practice, archery, and even hunting. The wooden riser has a faux leather grip that's easy to hold, and the limbs are made of fiberglass that can bend and move. It's a good first bow and would be a good gift for someone who wants to start archery or live in the wild. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Kesha's Takedown Recurve Bow. There is a wide range of draw weights. A lot of other bows have draw weights that aren't as low as this one. This means it's not just good for people who are just starting out, but also good for kids. The takedown doesn't require any tools, so even a novice should be able to put and take it apart. The draw weight range is also very wide. Up to 55 pounds. That's powerful enough for real hunting, but this bow is better for people who are just starting out and need to learn how to shoot well. The weight of the bow is a little high for something that should be good for kids. Even Kesha sells this bow with a few extra things. When you join, you get a stringer tool and an eyesight. Plus, there are threaded brass bushings that can be used to add more accessories down the road, as well. Last in our top 5 best recurve bow for hunting list is Southland Archery Recurve Bow. They are made of maple laminations and strong fiberglass. This will ensure that you will have the flexibility and durability that your child needs. This bow will bend, but it will be difficult to get this thing to break. The riser is made of various different 3 types of woods. They are chugulum, Molina arborea, and beech. These woods give the bow riser its pale yellow to cream colored look and are made from some of the most durable. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.